Hey guys, me Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's check the markets. Yeah, this doesn't look long at all. Mm-hmm. Mysic makes its move and a powerful one. That was an entry that needed a test. Nothing here, but probably that was doable without a test. Yeah, for a quick trade like this. It would have wiggled out first, but since I don't, the real stops. Anyhow, my roommate is picking up on me uh, for saying anywho all the time. Anywho, um, it comes from a friend and colleague of mine who's from Ohio. She'd say, I mean, she lives in Sac, but she grew up in Ohio. She'd say anywho all the time. So my Angelina, born and raised roommate, is mocking me all the time. And I'm trying to get rid of it because it's like a filler word. Just, I don't know. I like it. It's so me to say anyhow. So did the RTS, but RTS was no trade because it's already reached its potential. But MySix was a trade. Oh, look at Q's. Look at SPY. Wow. Wow. Ah, yeah, yeah, my KHC trade that I've missed. Don't want even watching it. I did. Ay, ay, ay. A trade I missed on KHC. Look how powerful it is. Yeah, I don't think it's a place to look for any kind of trade right now. Um, but technically it is. Oh, I haven't here. Yeah, it just goes down. It just goes down. IWM. Yeah, if this is transitioning from, it really should start being like looked at as a counter trend. And this 0.5 doesn't make any sense. So regardless, uh, All good. Volumes. Yeah, and this thing finds its spring test and it resumes. Uh, this last minutes of the hour. Spring test, and then it pops. It's like too much. And one bar reversal. And this thing is unvolumed. Come on. There's strengths and there's like weakness. And slow down below. Volume is great. Yeah, I think I'll have to let it slide. In any way, it's counter trend, so it shouldn't be. Yeah. It resumed too violently, I think. Yeah. Resumed too violently, I think. Volumes are good, but picking it like that low. No, I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it. GTM. Just wanted to break even. Sell unvolumed. Sell unvolumed. And this is not the biggest volume at all. Yeah, it's too far above the T2, however, it will not be T2 anymore. We will correct the levels. So yeah, other than this, it's a good volume. It's a good volume. And up to 0.5. This is brutal though. Bigger volume and then on smaller volume we go lower, and then on smaller lower we go lower. Uh, yeah. Um, okay. Okay, just did it move. Just did its move. And boom. And what can you do? Just kiss the level and did this. Sad story. Sad story. Boom. It's now a daily watch. Exactly. Hood. Yeah. Same deal. On smaller volume it goes lower. And then some volume here. And the closer is the end of the month, the more the possibility that it will close in correction. That the month will close in correction. Actually, it broke the level. So that was the level. volume spring test. Whichever way you look at it, that was a spring test, then resumption. Uh, but again, I don't think I would be able to take it. It's within the level zone. Hey, boom. That's the level in 0.5, but now it's like a little bit too high. Pfizer. Would you trust this level? Technically, it's still there. It's still long, but practically. But practically. Yeah, it's just something doesn't let it go. Something doesn't let it go. This all doesn't make much sense, I think. Beautiful volume. Actually goes lower. TCM. I think it's this now. One way or the other, it's a level 2 that doesn't need a close manipulation signal. All of this looks extremely flimsy right now. When the market goes down so powerfully. But that's the thing. It will always be like scary. Um, when the market goes down. Um, I just don't want to watch KHC and how low it went. This one is daily watch. HP. Remember me like going off about correction, recession, depression? You see, like that's the nature of prophecy. If you'll sit for like long enough, stubborn enough, um, prophesying about something is about to happen, it will happen eventually. And then everyone was like, oh, you remember? He was talking about it all this time. Just didn't believe the guy. This is too low to do anything, so. But all this level, like all these volumes are nothing when they go against the market. And I'm not sure it's still an expanding triangle. It very well might be a short movement. Value. Yeah, look at the market. VA is kind of there. Also, I'm not sure it's the level at all because this bar, it's all again. It's like super. This is not bad, by the way, of everything we saw. There's absolutely no volume in all this daily shebang, though. It's not up, it's down. In this whole situation, there's absolutely no volume. Nothing here suggests that this level is seen by anyone but me. It's only good for like local. It's only good for local thing. It went down. Yeah. Yeah. And it's a strong approach to it. It's not an approach, it's volume is up there. Yeah. Yeah. There's no levels to work at on CLC. And this is broken. Yeah, all the same. Yeah, look at it. Like, I mean, come on. In all reality, it's suicidal. Levels are there. I'm sorry. And volume starts good. But mm, yeah, I'll observe, but come on. Come on. Okay. I'm ready to cry. Huh. It's not bad. It's right there if I need it right now. So the entire market goes down, but this thing goes up. And now, like, I start understanding this rhythm, to be honest with you. It's interesting, but there's no volume here. Well, so I guess don't fuck it up again. Uh, all of this is unvolumed. I'm thinking just buy something right now while it's there. It's initiative takeover that did take over. Yeah, I think I should buy a little put right now. Um, I think I should buy a little put right now as we speak. That's weird, but still unvolumed. Where was all this volume? My reservation is this volume and also this bar, but I think it's all right. Let's talk about it. No context. Let's talk about it. Can we call it trend? It's impulse. It's trend trade. It's a short impulse. It's neutral. Neut how do you neutral zone to trade? And it's a trend trade. It's a conservative. It's a short impulse. It's a resistance zone. Zone. It's a T2 level. It's a break on the right test slash T2 level. Uh, it's a volume to war upthrust plus calculate weighted affordable step virtual step but put it's wanted to is the word keep brackets. Conservative trend rate. This is a little steep. We're in the test right now. We're in the test and we're breaking it. And it goes powerfully, by the way. Mm-hmm. Uh, good. I'm not crying my eyes out. As a matter of fact, I didn't lose anything. It's right there. The heck is this? This doesn't look good at all. Lumbar reversal for all of you risk lovers out there. and it's going up now. And that's interesting now. Uh, that's our continuation of the trend. Some stocks you see, they just don't care about the rest of the market. They are on their own schedule. You know what I mean? They just go. They just go. Baboosh. Amazon looked like an exhaustion yesterday, but then never mind. Okay, let's see our gainest losers. Yeah, and it looks red now. Look at this guy now. We'll need a test, but I think it's, yeah. We need to test. It's kind of strong break on hourly. However, considering all the rest, and that was unvolumed. So yeah. I think that I found it. I think March is still okay. And ports are inexpensive, you guys. Puts and hinds are inexpensive. This is steep, like legitimately steep. Um, but considering where is this? It's right there, September. Could it be the end? It could be. Volume, bigger volume, volume accumulation. It's half a month only, it can be bigger volume. It can be. It can be. This volume, and we are above this volume now. Yeah. We're right above this volume. Right D. Mm, we are above this volume. This volume here. Okay. We are in at somewhere around here. Uh, and we want to sell it in the market good till canceled order conditions. The price of the KHC stock will reach 24.69. Done. 24.69. Market good till canceled. Okay. Here in this, 802, 802, and 2469. I'll add more. At 087. Uh, so now this is a oh, it's not even, it's in minutes. So day is now, it's a trend trade. The trend trade. And we have hour. On hour, it's a trend trade. It's a short impulse. It's a right under ice level. It's a resistance zone. It's 1.5 correction. It's a strong approach. Yeah. Trend trade. Five minutes. In 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I'll add more once it closes the test. Yeah. Damn. I'm buying more. Okay. Same deal. I'll sell at market. Good deal canceled. Further conditions, the price of main stock is 24.69. Good. Yeah, so what we've got here is a aggressive trend trade. We have here long impulse. We have here a unvolumed T1. We got here a biggest volume to thrust plus. We got a weak test. Oh, and by the way, Mm. 087, the same. 087, same. Oh, and by the way, yeah, weak test first, bearish, bar closed, entry, calculated for double stop, virtual stop loss, but puts wanted to reward take profit. John resistance zone. Aggressive term plus appealing. Yeah, for whatever reason, um, there's problem with this volumes. But it is what it is. Wait, where's my this volume was like this. Uh, let's share it with the world. GHD short 5 minute aggressive trend day trade. The 1 day trend. 1 hour trend. 1 hour trend. 1 day trend. 1 month trend. And 1 year trend. Yep. Short trend chart wave. Some more GHC short setup waves. We say volume, spread analysis, support and resistance zones. Buy cut, of course, take profit. Let's share it with the world. Oops. Okay. Okay. that's where we are in QC. It's a weird volume. It's a weird volume. Yeah, hopefully. I would have taken this trade anyways. I think it's good. Um, IWM is trying to figure itself out. Okay, hood. V is right there. Arguably, that's the level now. Oh, that was not bad. That needed test. Needs a test. And volume to one down. Hmm, probably one bar rule. Where were we? Oh, we were watching the biggest gainers and losers. It's right there right now. Oops. With this kind of motion. It's continuation of the trend. Yeah, it's there. So high up there. I definitely now have more than I can handle. Um, it's a balance. But yeah, volume distribution is not good. That'd be funny if WM sustains. Did another test. Yeah, it looks like it can. Look at hood. Hood went up. That was something weird. That was like long, but it can be really long. It should have been short, so. But regardless, it give a test and all of that. Uh, it goes lower. Easy test on this one. And yeah, come on. Look, it can close in a up thrust. That would be interesting to watch. And if it does, then it's going to be good for an entry on the hour. Doesn't look like a strong approach anymore. That's like a powerful volume. Anyways, I'll take what's mine, and as for the rest, I'll wait. Uh, woo, woo. Um, yeah, it's also there. With all its might, it needs to stop. Whatever it thinks it's doing, it needs to stop doing that. Yeah. What I'm looking here for. That was an entry. Yeah. The entry that I've missed. That was so high. Yeah. But it's okay. That wave corrects so much. Yeah. At all the selling levels. And deeper there too. Amazon just continues. Microsoft. United Health. It's a red day. Nvidia. Qualcomm. Yeah, maybe where was it? AMD. Considering where we are on monthly, on yearly, the wave can be born with like very deep rollbacks, or what we're gonna call them, or what we're gonna call them. Interesting. Tronic is there immediately. It's a bigger volume on correction. That's weird. In direction of the main trend. So that was like 0.5 of this correction, and then bigger volume came in. This guy looks like it wants to go farther. I think I have enough of stock on my plate. You know, that's also a green day. Mainly for the Russian market. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. I'm gonna go. That'll be fun if it works out. Um, I don't think so, really. Especially beyond the hourly level. Hood more so, yeah. So this was more because it was within the range, but the setup was weird. The setup was weird. Um, okay, I'm gonna go. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself.